Learn more about how Bella's cards are made on the Youthful Savings Marketplace. Fold a paper in half and cut it horizontally so it becomes 2 equal-sized cards. Write your own custom message with a pen and decorate with color pens and markers. Decorate accordingly, for example with trees and flowers using color pencils and markers. Use a glue stick to glue on paper flowers and select different shades for a variety. On the second card, draw 2 lines. One line on top slightly longer than the line on the bottom. Cut both lines using a scissor. Fold the top line down into a triangle. Repeat with the bottom line. Unfold the card and adjust it so the triangle pops up. Decorate the pop-up triangle into a custom bouquet, draw stems, and glue paper flowers on top. Decorate the rest of the card. Glue the pop-up card onto the original card and write your own custom message inside.